how to create a subdomain in Hostinger. So let's get started. Once you log into your Hostinger account, this is the dashboard you will see. Next, we will need to click the Websites tab. And on the right side of the screen, we will see all the domains set up by us in Hostinger. I will be creating a subdomain for this domain, so let's enter this domain's dashboard. Next, on the right side of the screen, we will need to click the Domains tab. Under the Subdomain section, on the right side of the screen, we can set up the subdomain. In this field, we need to enter the name for the subdomain of our choice for this main domain. Finally, click the Create button. And done. This is how you can create a subdomain in Hostinger. Please subscribe to my channel and click the like button. Comment and share this video if it was helpful.